Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade Canva Pro with Canva detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Log into your existing Canva account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the pricing option in the main menu. Click on the pricing link to view the different plans available. You will see a comparison of the free and pro versions. Review the features offered in Canva Pro to understand what benefits you will gain. When you're ready to proceed, click on the Upgrade to Pro button. You will be redirected to a page where you can choose your subscription plan. Canva typically offers monthly and annual payment options. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Next, you will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit or debit card details as required. Make sure to review the terms and conditions before finalizing your purchase. After entering your payment details, click the Get Pro or Upgrade button. You should now see a confirmation screen indicating your upgrade was successful. Explore your new Canva Pro features by returning to the main dashboard. Take advantage of the enhanced templates, images, and additional tools available. Enjoy designing with your new Canva Pro account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restart. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.